Good afternoon, everybody. It is about 12 o'clock on Monday. Oh, what's going on? I'm doing a little dumpster diving, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So, first stop, we're here at a pharmacy. Hopefully we find something. It's been a while since I found anything here, really, so maybe today's our day. No, it is not. Oh well. Okay, nothing there. On to the next stop. Here at our next stop, we got like a box spring or something back here. It says damaged, but I mean, I don't need that anyways. Just showing you, so let's go check out the dumpster. Sometimes there's stuff in this black bag. Oh, what is that? A little pub set? Huh. Alright guys, I think we got some stuff in here. I'm going to dig around a little bit deeper, but possibly bag, pub set. I don't know what this is. I'll let you know. I'm not sure about all the parts, but this pub set is definitely in here. It just won't fit in my car, and I don't have anywhere for it. I actually just bought a new dining room table. That would be super nice. And this is a dresser. Again, I don't know if all the parts are in here, and I just don't have any use for it. So unfortunately, I'm leaving both of those. Hopefully they get snatched up. This dumpster right here is a pharmacy dumpster that I go to occasionally. But as you can see, it is locked. I'm not really disappointed about that because it's not in my city, so I don't hit it too often. But I don't think they locked it because of divers. I'm pretty positive that they locked it because for the past few months, every time I've come, there's been a homeless man living in that corner right there. And I'm assuming that he would, you know, use the dumpster to get food, which is excellent. But I think by him actually living there, he kind of ruined it for himself, unfortunately. So I think that's why they locked it, so he wouldn't be hanging around here all the time, which is unfortunate for him. So I hope he found something else. But we're gonna head right up here to another store, which I also haven't been to in a little while. This is where I found that Michael Kors purse. I had my huge Christmas haul here. I find some good stuff here, so hopefully today's our day. Just bear with me for a second. It's around this corner. Alright, it's definitely not empty. Could just be trash though. Hopefully not. There's donuts. That's weird. Wasn't it National Donut Day yesterday? I think it was. Yeah, Krispy Kreme donuts. I'm not gonna take those, but that's kind of a fun find, I guess. We are here at one of my sometimes favorite dumpsters. I haven't been here in, honestly, it's been about a month, so I'm not expecting to find anything today, but I'm hoping to make up for all the days I've missed. I have had like a lot of success on this day in the past, but not getting my hopes up. Let's check it out anyways. Oh man, those are gorgeous. They're not destroyed. No way. These match. Okay, you guys will see. Okay, they ripped it up a little bit, but no way. You guys will see my table. I'll show it to you when I get home. These match it absolutely perfectly. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna get these in the car. I got the chairs. There's only 3 of them. I wish there was 4, but if I have to, I will order and pay for another one because these honestly match perfectly. 2 of them are structurally perfect, but they tore up the upholstery. One of them has a broken leg, but they didn't tear up the upholstery. So I'm not sure. We'll see what I end up doing with these. But they're beautiful, so I had to take them. Next stop. Nope. Not much on that side. Nope. You guys seeing anything? I'm not. Nope. Alright, so nothing in that one, but that's okay. Let's check this one out. This is like a home store of sorts. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like it was a broom, but not anymore. Sorry. I know. Check the other side. It's empty. Alright. Well, nothing in there. Okay, we are here at a grocery store, and I think I'm going to make this the last stop for this video. There won't, unless I find like a crap ton here, there won't be a separate haul video for this dive, just because I didn't find too much quantity-wise. But I do have a few things over here that I'm going to haul for you. I found those yesterday, so I will include whatever I find here in that haul. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, when I hit 10K, I'm going to be doing an awesome giveaway. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you down at this dumpster. Alright, it's not looking like much. Mini bagels, but I don't need those. Yeah, that stuff looks kind of gross. Nope, nothing good today. So this is my new table, which I absolutely love. This is the old table, which I do not love. But this one I got from the Facebook Marketplace. I love it. It's huge. It's like farmhouse, beautiful. And then these are the chairs I have, which I like. But these are the chairs I just found. Like, look at... They match so nicely. But, man, as you can see, they did tear it up, which I'm sure I can fix. They're so structurally nice. I'm assuming this is why they were thrown out, and I wish they would have just left them like that, because that is absolutely fine with me. Not a huge deal at all. But, I don't know. It, like, matches perfectly. I do have these two chairs back here, which I'm hoping to get together soon, which also match perfectly. But those two were going to go on the ends, so then these ones would have to go right here, but I only have 3 of them, and one of them's broken, and 2 of them are ripped up. So, we'll see. Let me know what you guys think I should do with these chairs, or if you think I should just send them back to the dump. But once again, thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon.